Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Brit and I'm an esthetician, and my first passion is skincare and the second is makeup. So in today's video we're going to do a wear test of Charlotte Tilbury's viral Beautiful Skin Foundation. So I have already prepared my skin. What do you need to know? I have combination skin. I live in a humid climate, so we're really putting this to the test today. So I'm going to do a demo and then we are going to check in this afternoon and then tonight, and then I'll give you my full review. And just so you know, I have actually been wearing this for 2 weeks, okay? So it's not just today and let's see how it goes. So without further ado, let's change location, where I will be doing it in natural light, no ring light, and then you can truly see how the foundation is on the skin. So let's get to it. So excuse my wild background, guys, but I was determined to get in front of the window. I'm basically nearly outside because I can't stand makeup videos with a ring light. I just like to do makeup videos in a natural light, so we don't have any ring light on or anything. So let me get started. So this colour that I have is number 4, warm. I will say first of all that actually, because trying to order online foundations, you know what it can be like. So actually her system is pretty easy to try and pick your colour. So the only thing is, I think my powder is a bit light. You do recommend to put the Flawless Finish airbrush powder on top of this, but you can easily fix that with bronzer. But what I am going to do is apply the foundation to one side, and you can see. So the texture is kind of strange. It's different from what I expected. It's I don't know, it reminds me of a CC cream, to be honest with you. Now, I'm not wearing a primer, and I'm doing it with my fingers because with foundations like this that are meant for, you know, with skincare benefits, I prefer to use my fingers. So say like a BB or a CC cream. So the texture, as I say, is different from what I expected. I thought it would be more, how can I say, more hydrating, you know, not, I don't know, it's just a very strange texture. But anyway, it is a medium coverage. Let's just pop some up here behind the eye. So it does have a lot of great skincare ingredients in it. We have hyaluronic acid, which is for hydrating, plumping the skin. We have rose oil, which is a great anti-aging ingredient. We have rose flower water, the same. We have glycerine, which is a great humectant and for moisturising. And we have coconut fruit extract, and we have apple fruit extract, which is to do with, well, the apple fruit is to do with the dark spots. So this is supposed to, over time, makes your skin instantly brighter, and over time helps with the dark spots. Now for me the coverage is fine. As I say, you still need, for me personally, I need my concealer obviously, but that's one half done and the other half not. So let's get on with the other side. So it's also supposed to minimise the appearance of pores. I wouldn't say it does that for me, but then again, I have large pores up here, and nothing's really going to minimise that. So I took one pump. I'm just going to add just a half a pump more. So you'll need about 1.5 to 2 pumps. So it's supposed to reduce dark spots over time, brighten the skin over time, and give you a glow. Now, as you can see, I do have hyperpigmentation. Oh, and I forgot to say to you guys, sorry, I will put over 40 in my thumbnail. There's a big reason for that. I'm actually 51, so we're definitely testing this on a mature skin. However, my skin is oily and I do have a little bit of pigmentation, as you can see. Now, I don't wear primers because I don't like the feel of them on the skin. I have applied this foundation just the way I would any other foundation, meaning my skincare and my sunscreen beforehand. So now I'm going to use my concealer. This is Age Rewind Maybelline. I'm going to contour with NYX, the Wonder Stick, because what I'm going to do is speed this part up. Welcome back. So I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. Now, I think I bought this a bit too late, it's the fair, but it's okay. So this powder is excellent actually, it's very finely milled, so yeah, it does give you an airbrush effect, you know, it doesn't. So what I'm going to do, because I have oily skin and in a humid climate, so what I do is, on my T-zone, I'm applying with a blender here, and then I'm going to apply with the brush on the rest of my face. And I like to do this under my eyes because I feel like my eye makeup, I don't like a brush there, it doesn't hold it. So I'm just doing this in the T-zone. I'm just going to take my powder brush for the rest of my face. So as you can see guys, it still looks like natural skin. You can still see a bit of my pigmentation, even though I put concealer etc on. You know, yeah, it still looks like skin. As I say, it's medium coverage, and this is went in my pore here, but I have large pores, what can I say? Every foundation does it. So we're going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the blush trio in Peachy Love. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to do my eye makeup because I feel really baldy, and come back. So I'm using this light shade here. That's a bit better. I feel alive now. So I'm going to do my eye makeup guys and come back, and as I say, we'll do 2 check-ins I have mixed feelings. As I say, I have been wearing this for a couple of weeks. Well, hi guys, I'm back. Got the rest of my face on. So for the eyes, I put on the Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette, and I used Utopia and Karma. Very simple. Oh, and this one too. What's this one called? Supernova, for a little bit of shimmer. For the liner, I used Infallible, L'Oreal, the liquid pen, and the mascara, I was trying this one, Milk Kush Mascara. It's okay, it's not the best, but you know, first try. And I used Sephora Off the Grid Lipstories, Natural Wonders Limited Collection. This lipstick here, and this is called Off the Grid. This is a nude colour. I really like it actually. Oh, and by the way, these are only $4.50. I don't know how long that lasts, but I got this for $8. And the lip liner is Revlon in brown, no, sorry, in chocolate. The Revlon lip liner. I love Revlon lip liners. So, I'm going to see you again at the first check-in. Okay? First check-in, guys, it's holding up okay. I'm showing you in the bright sunlight so you can see and get a good look at how it is. You see how the powder is actually really flawless. I actually love the powder more than the foundation. But so you can get a look outside and see how it is. Hey guys, I'm back with my final check-in. So I checked in with you at 4 PM. As you seen, I was outside. I've had this on since 11 AM and it is now 9 PM. Just before 9 PM at night. So what, 10 hours. Now, we have went a bit oily here and here. Now that for me is totally normal. That's just my skin. However, I feel like here and here, my pores are more, so I feel like here and here and here, my pores are actually more noticeable, okay? So this is why I said, you know, so this is why I said I had mixed thoughts. So let me now give you my final thoughts on this beautiful skin foundation. So I actually like the feel of it on the skin. You don't feel like you're wearing, you know, makeup. It feels very light, okay? I love the idea of like a CC cream, you know, a BB cream, etc. To me it feels like a CC cream. But I have encountered CC creams where it's more coverage. Now, the reason why I also had a mixed final thoughts, because I have been wearing this for like 14 days, 2 weeks. I live in a very humid climate. Now today it's lasted pretty well than what it normally does. Now I checked it up. The humidity today is only 58%. Now I have wore this when it's been like 90% humidity, so you can imagine like by the end of the day I'm just like shine on, shine on, shine on, happy people. I would suggest that, okay, it's maybe going to work better for somebody who has drier skin. Me personally, you know, because of humidity and the oiliness. Also, I would say put it on with your fingers. Like BB CC creams are better applied like that, and definitely feel like you would need the powder on top for sure, because as I say, it mostly stays on okay, but it depends with me. The weather changes from day to day, so that was my thoughts. But as I say, yeah, it is generally a nice foundation, but would I repurchase? No. I actually preferred the powder The powder is like really nice because it's so fine and it's like airbrushed. So I actually prefer the powder more than the foundation. So the foundation, I would give it, I don't know, a 7 out of 10. And that's my final thoughts. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.